Adaptation in aquatic habitats. Organisms which live in water have adapted themselves to several factors, such as breathing in water, movement, pressure of water, and low intensity of light. Adaptation in water plants. In water plants, roots are much reduced in size. Their stems become long and narrow to withstand water currents without getting damaged. Stems have air spaces that enable the plant to float on the surface of water. Floating leaves are large and flat. They have a waxy coat, which makes them waterproof. For example, water lily. The leaves that are submerged in water are long and narrow. They bend along with water movement, for example, tape grass. Adaptations in water animals. Water animals have streamlined bodies that reduce the resistance due to water and help them swim fast in water. Their body is covered with scales to make it waterproof. They have gills for breathing underwater. They have flat fins and tails that help them to move or change the direction and keep their body balanced in water. They have an air bladder that helps them to float in water. Frogs usually have ponds as their habitat. Frogs that live both in water as well as on land, the following features are present. Webbed feet to help in swimming. Lungs for breathing on land and moist skin for breathing in water. Strong hind legs to help in leaping and catching the prey.